A proposed anti-political dynasty act and the House's divorce bill are among the thorniest and most cumbersome issues ever filed in Congress's history, which has caused deep divisions among lawmakers. Their revival for legislative consideration has drawn the president's attention and critical scrutiny. His much-awaited input will have great impact on how the House and Senate will proceed, as our Kenneth Paciente reports.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. will study the anti-political dynasty bill and the divorce bill after these were submitted to the 20th Congress. According to PCO Undersecretary and Palace Press Officer Attorney Claire Castro, it is better for the President to first understand the provisions of the anti-political dynasty bill before making any comment. This is to determine what possible effects it may have.
Mas maganda kung maibibigay nila ang pinakadetalye at buong nilalaman ng bill na ito dahil mahirap po sa ngayon na mag-oo o mag-hindi ang Pangulo. Mas maganda pong maibigay yung pinakadetalye dahil maaaring magandang maidulot nito sa ating bansa. At tingnan po natin, basta po ang Pangulo naman ay para sa bansa at para sa mga leader din naman, mga official na gusto rin naman maglingkod. So dapat balanse ang lahat.
The President has yet to make a clear stand on the divorce bill. However, if the President sees that it contains good provisions and gains support from the Catholic Church, he may also support it. Still, the Palace encourages that it is better to fix any problems between husband and wife.
Pero mas maganda po sana, at yun din po ang nais ng Pangulo, na mas paigtingin natin ang magandang pagsasama ng mag-asawa. Mas palawigin natin na mas marisolba ng bawat mag-asawa ang kanilang problema para maayos ang kanilang pamilya. Hindi lang para sa kanilang dalawa, kundi para sa kanilang mga anak.
On the proposed bill that seeks to regulate internet use among minors, the Palace responds,
kung ano yung makakabuti sa ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataan. Kung ito po talaga ay magkakos ng mental health issues, sususugan din po ng Pangulo yan at makakakuha siya ng suporta. Basta po ito ay para sa taong bayan at lalong-lalo na para sa kabataan.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.